Honestly. Okay. Daily Dose Vid. Craziest nature videos of the decade. 16 minutes. Thank you.
These are the craziest nature videos from the past 10 years.
Oh, different thing. Right? Oh. Hold on, you heard him?
Don't move.
Oh shit. Not the glaciers. When we get to this. Nah.
This man went on a tour boat to visit the glaciers in Iceland when a piece of the glacier actually broke off and fell into the water.
That's sick.
Wow. Wow. The wildest thing I've ever tried in my life.
Back in 2017, Greenland was hit with a tsunami.
Hey,
Wait, say that again?
Back in 2017, Greenland was hit with a tsunami.
hey,
Oh. Greenland's having a tsunami.
Back in
This is
2020,
getting-
this cruise ship was on its
Please, man, for his life. You know,
Back in 2020,
I don't know
this
why they
cruise
watching
ship
that
was
shit.
on
Nice
its way
catch
to
on that chair.
Ireland when it ran into some pretty heavy waves.
oh!
Back in 2016, these people were hiking in Argentina when they realized that they were in a really bad spot.
When they realized they were in a really bad spot. Oh my goodness. Looks like rocks, but it's just
This guy
water.
was loading up his car when he realized that he forgot his wallet. Back in 2018, this massive mudslide in Switzerland was caught coming down a mountain.
Damn. It's crazy. Hey, run, lady, run! Out of Jima!
In 2023, this driver in China was almost hit by these fall.
Why is he acting like he got hit by that lightning?
In 2023, this driver in China was almost hit by these falling rocks.
That's some movie shit, low key. And then they all fall behind you. You get the camera pans to the front of the car, and they all fall behind.
Exploded in Papua New Guinea, and it created a huge shockwave.
Here we go.
Whoa. Whoa. Low key. I know it sounds crazy. I want to be around like that. Imagine getting hit by that. That'd be sick. Low key. Like,
Created a huge shockwave.
Here we go.
didn't stretch out that far, but 'cause I don't even think I hit the water, but that's still cool. Ooh.
On November
I was
30th,
wait, what?
Where do we get the move?
On November 30th, 2018, a 7.0 earthquake hit Alaska.
Is that the... Oh. Nice.
This volcano in Indonesia erupted and created some of the craziest volcano lightning you will ever see.
Volcano lightning? Volcano lightning sounds fucking scary. What the fuck?
Nebraska had some pretty
Volcano
crazy
lightning.
tornadoes earlier this year.
Wait,
Nebraska
volcano
had some
lightning
pretty-
is crazy. What do you mean, volcano lightning? Like, does it? I mean, I guess you still get burned if it's regular lightning anyway.
Nebraska had some pretty crazy tornadoes earlier this year.
And poor Nebraska. Houses though.
Back in
The Gucci.
2019, a super rare event happened that allowed parts of
Unless
Southern
it's the heart
California
of
to
the storm.
receive snow.
That's in it. I mean, the eye of it. The heart of it. Same shit. I'm always. Wait, run away? Oh, in my
Back
head.
in 2019, a super rare event happened that allowed parts of Southern California to receive snow.
Oh. Oh, that's cool. And then that happens. That makes sense.
And they also got to experience what snow and lightning is like.
Got my
Snow
umbrella
lightning?
around, wet. And look out, like, our street is
Lightning is so
starting to flood.
versatile, huh?
Imagine
Wow.
seeing this on your way to work. This is what the morning commute looked like for people driving into Los Angeles back in December 2017.
That's crazy.
Back in 2019, this giant landslide happened in China.
Damn.
About 12 months ago, a super intense tornado went past this guy's house in Illinois. This hailstorm in Texas was so intense that the hail started coming inside the home. He left something outside in the rain and had to go get it. About
Hey,
seven-
bring your ass back up.
and had to go get it.
The hail is crazy. I'm
He
not
left
gonna
something
lie.
outside in the rain and had to go get it. About 7 months ago, these people in China were dealing with some pretty crazy wind. Here's another rockslide video that happened in China in 2023. Back in 2015, Los Angeles had a very rare tornado event.
Whoa. Ooh.
About 6
Ooh.
years ago,
I was on the water. Oh my goodness. That's
About 6 years
crazy.
ago, these people recorded their
I didn't
escape
really
from
just
a
strike.
wildfire in California.
Damn, this is out of a game. Low-key, this is out of a game. Oh, and then now we're not in the game. This is the end of the game.
This reporter in France got a little too close. This reporter in France got a little too close to this wave.
Oh.
Back in 2018 in Hawaii, this car was parked in the worst spot possible. In May 2016, one of the biggest tornadoes in the history of Kansas was spotted.
That is look how wide that shit is. What the
I know
fuck?
that icebergs
Like a
are
cylinder.
know that icebergs are bigger underwater than above water, but this is kind of crazy.
I like that blue. That was nice. It's a nice iceberg. Whoa, look at the different. Whoa, this is cool.
In Pakistan in 2018, these people got a little too close to this avalanche. In 2020, this plane was struck by lightning when flying over Finland. This giant boulder came within inches of crushing this house. Unfortunately, 2 other boulders managed to break free and destroy the other side of the house.
To get started in data analytics, you don't need previous experience or a degree.
Oh, really?
The Google Data
Tell me,
Analytics
Tony.
certificate will teach you to code in R, to code in SQL, data visualization, and learning how to problem solve like an analyst.
Oh,
At the end of the day,
I like
being a
analysts.
Data analyst is about communication. It's the #1 soft skill that you'll pick up. And so learning how to take the information and make it accessible to a lot of people is
Yes, information and break it down
In
for idiots. I
2019,
love
this
that.
cruise ship near Norway encountered some heavy seas.
I am one. One I am.
In 2019, this cruise ship near Norway encountered some heavy seas.
Get that on video.
In 2021, these people were rock climbing in Japan when an earthquake happened.
When a what happened?
This snowboarder
An earthquake.
climbing in Japan when an earthquake happened.
Imagine being at the. I mean, earthquakes are strong enough to split a mountain. Sure, I guess it has to be like a really, really strong one, right? Yeah. Yeah. Shift the tectonic plates. Yeah.
This snowboarder in Nevada accidentally triggered a giant avalanche. This video from 2015 shows some sailors about to take on a giant wave.
Where's the oh? Guess what I'm gonna look up after this. 100-foot wave. 100-foot wave. I want to see it. I want to see it.
In 2021, these firefighters were driving through some pretty crazy wildfires in California. A 6.7 magnitude earthquake
there's probably no one
interrupted
else.
this couple's wedding. This dad tried to save his trampoline
shit.
from being blown away in the wind.
Bennett, get out of there!
You will get taken too.
Oh. Oh my gosh. Bennett!
This video from Guatemala is probably the only video in the world like this.
Dicen que es grande, ¿va mucha?
Whoa!
Miren, cábalo, ahorita lo.
Whoa.
Lo agarré, cabal.
Whoa, this
This
is
is
cool.
called a cron flash and it was spotted in Florida back in 2020.
I hope it's getting it on the camera. I can't
Wow.
even see the screen. Holy.
It's like aliens up there. What?
Whoa, look at that. The red one. You see that?
Sometimes during a snowstorm, you can actually get lightning.
It is crazy. There's
In April
snow
2022,
lightning
this
and
massive tornado hit
was
Kansas.
it volcano lightning? That's really lit. I'm not gonna lie. Whoa, look at that flag going crazy. Damn, look at the trees. Nah,
This is what it's
somebody's
like
out
to
there,
get
they
struck
get
by
blown away.
lightning when you're in the cockpit of a plane. In 2018,
flinch.
one of the biggest
Shit.
tornadoes in the history of Wyoming was recorded.
Isn't it crazy that isn't that crazy that he's just conveniently recording and it just happened right? It's crazy. Whoa.
No, el que viene de abajo. No.
What is that?
In 2018,
What is that? What is
four
that?
water-
Did he say? Oh, he didn't. I'm pretty sure he didn't. Yeah. What is it? What is it? It looks like. Come on, what the fuck?
No, el que viene de abajo.
Is it a
No.
a whale? No. Loch Ness monster?
In 2018, four waterspouts emerged on the coast of Thailand. A sinkhole in Illinois randomly opened up earlier this year.
Whoa. Whoa. Isn't it
driving
crazy
down a
that
road
shit
in
just
Sydney,
happens like that?
Australia, when
Nature,
this
nature
happened.
is gnarly, huh? So gnarly.
Oh my god!
This guy was in a pool when an earthquake happened in Taiwan earlier this year. This house in Hawaii was devoured by lava back in 2018.
Damn.
These houses in Montana got buried under some tumbleweeds.
Is there no... It's just... Tumbleweed. Oh, wait.
These
I think
houses
a
in
cat's
Montana got buried under some tumbleweeds.
It's high noon.
Oh my god.
Back in 2022, a huge meteor lit up the sky in Idaho.
Whoa. Wait, that's sick. Wait, what was that? What was that again? Wait, that's cool too. Whoa. Isn't that crazy? Just conveniently. That's crazy, isn't it?
Back
That
in
was such a cool
2022, a huge
lightning
meteor lit up the sky in Idaho.
Spark? I didn't hear what he said.
Back in 2022, a huge meteor lit up the sky in Idaho.
Got it.
In 2020, a snowstorm in New York mixed with freezing rain, turning their homes into ice.
Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
In June
Those shits look
2020
fake. They literally look like fake houses. They look like houses you could make with like arts and crafts.
In June 2020, a massive landslide took place in Norway and went into the sea. All the homes were empty, so luckily nobody was hurt. In 2022, Puerto Rico had flooding that was so severe that it destroyed this bridge.
Oh shit. Damn, that's crazy. That bridge. Sure, that bridge is well made. Uh-oh. Thank you.
In
His homeboy
2019,
was just
a
stuck in
glacier
that
Iceland fell
vortex.
into the water, creating a massive wave.
What's that? Fragmentary hallucination. I like your name, but I'm not for sale, buddy. Anyways, wait, this is crazy. Cause wait, isn't it crazy? Wait, if the glaciers can cause the water level to rise, but don't they melt?
These tourists on a cruise ship suddenly experience some extreme static electricity. This is actually a pretty scary warning sign, as it means lightning could strike at any moment. In 2019 in Amsterdam, this tornado was created within seconds.
What the f? Yeah, een tornado.
Wyoming had some pretty strong winds that happened earlier this year in April 2024.
I was about to say he was already driving slanted. Damn, imagine being the driver of that and you fucking looking your
This giant tornado was seen moving through Canada.
and you see your car goes tilted.
That is the end of this video. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this one, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon.
Later.
Burnout. We all experience it at some point.
Yeah,
It's so important
it'd
to
be
me
like
that I've
that,
actually
I
been
ain't gonna
working
lie.
on it.
It'd be like that. I farm too much on one game. I gotta go play another one. It's like that, you know. It's fine. So I'll be.